Good morning, students. In this session, I am going to solve a problem on sections of solid. A pentagonal prism. It's a pentagonal prism. So base is a pentagon. Base at 30 mm and length 70 mm. Length means the height is 70 mm. Is lying on HP on one of its rectangular faces. So the solid have faces, 5 rectangular faces, on which any one of the rectangular face lying on HP, lying on horizontal plane, with its axis perpendicular to the VP. Axis perpendicular to the VP. Axis means center line. This is perpendicular to the VP. But the solid, how much it is in front, it is not mentioned in the question. So the solid is like this, written like this. Then it is cut by a plane perpendicular to the VP. It is cut by a plane perpendicular to the VP and vertical plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degree to the HP. So perpendicular to the VP means so like this. Okay, perpendicular to the VP. Now this solid, the plane is perpendicular to the VP and inclined at 45 degree to the HP. The horizontal plane, it is inclined. Okay, it is inclined to the horizontal plane perpendicular to the vertical plane. So front view is a straight line. The projection of the front view of the section plane is a straight line, but it is inclined to the HP. So it is going to cut this solid like this. Cut this solid. The shortest distance between the axis and the cutting plane. Between the axis and the cutting plane. Axis means center point. So from the center point it meets certain distance. How much of distance it is meeting means 10 millimeter from the cutting plane. Draw the front view, sectional top view and true shape of the section. That's all. Right? So how to draw this? So this is the orientation of the solid. So here in this problem we can draw the front view first. Front view is a pentagon, isn't it? We can draw the front view first. It's a pentagon. So I draw the pentagon. So we'll drawing the pentagon. This edge is lying on XY line. So we have to take care of it. So this edge is lying on HP. So one of the edges lying on HP. Like this. So this is the front view of the solid. Front view looks like a pentagon. So I mark the corner points in the front view. So I mark the corner point in the front view. So how many corners we have? Totally we have 10 corners. 5 front corners named as A, B, C, D, E, and the rear 5 corners P, Q, R, S. So this is the front view, right? Front view. So we are looking from front. So these front corners are visible and the rear corners are hidden behind the visible corners. So front corners means A dash, okay, B dash, C dash, D dash and E dash. These are all front corners. Then rear corners P, Q, R, S. These are hidden. P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash and T dash. Rear corners. Edges means we have 5 front edges A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, and rear edges also, which is hidden behind the front edges P, Q, Q, R, S and S, T, R are drawn in the front. Then face edges is look like a point A, P, B, Q, C, E, D, E. So these are all a point in the front view because it is these edges, face edges are perpendicular to the vertical plane. That's all. Then we have to draw the top view. So how to draw the top view? So we can project from the front view. So I am projecting the front view. Okay, I'm projecting the front view. Then how much in front it is not mentioned. So I draw one horizontal line here. Then what's the height of the solid is 70 millimeter. Okay, 70 millimeter means so 2 times 2 times. Okay, this is the top. Okay. What's the distance of this? In the top view, so we have to mark all the corner points. So front corner point means these points, isn't it? A, B, C. This point is A, B, C, A, B, C, and D, and E. Then visibility check. So this is the top view. So look from the front view. So looking from the top, A, E, D only visible. These B and C are hidden. So B and C are hidden edges, hidden colors. Then rear edges, P, Q, R, S. Therefore P, Q, R, S and T. So here also P, T, S are visible, Q and R are hidden corners. So edges also. So top edges. These three edges are visible edges. So what are the edges? A, B, this E, then S, D. These three are visible edges. These two edges are hidden edges. Hidden. So hidden edges we have to represent with dashed lines. Evenly spaced dashed lines. So evenly spaced dashed lines. Okay. Then axis. We have to find the center point, center axis. How to find the axis means, so you have to mark the center point of this, then draw a line through this point. This means this vertical line. Okay. This is the O point, axis point. Okay. Axis point. So we need axis. So how to find the axis of the pentagon? So here middle point, draw it. Here middle point, draw an opposite corner of the line. So we meet at a point. This is the center point of the pentagon. Then, so we draw the top view and front view. So we completed it. Top view and front view. Then we have to mark the section line. So how to mark the section line? So section line is given that it is perpendicular to the VP and inclined at 45 degrees to the HP. HP inclination means, we know that HP means this theta, upward inclination. It may be, we can write here, we can draw, both are same, upward inclination. We can draw like this, otherwise we can draw like this, both are same only. So it is inclined to HP. So section line come here. If it is inclined to VP means section line come here. But in the problem, it is section line is above the HP. It is here, theta. So how to draw this means, and also it is given that the shortest distance between the axis and the cutting plane is 10 millimeter. Axis and the cutting plane is 10 millimeter. So this is the axis in the front view. So we mark 10 degree, 10 millimeter. So okay, 10 millimeter in the compass. Take 10 millimeter in the compass and draw one circle over here. So I draw one circle. Okay, this is radius 10 millimeter radius. With the 10 millimeter radius, I draw one circle. Then at any point on this, draw an angle. What is the angle of this? 45 degree to the HP. So at this point, okay, so at this point, I mark 45 degree line. 45 degree. So this is 45 degree line. So I have to draw parallel line from that line through this point. This is the section. Okay, this is the section line. This is vertical trace. 45 degree, draw a line parallel to this. Then mark the section points over here. Section points it is cutting over here and this one. So here we have two edges. Here also we have two edges. What are the edges? Means here AE and PT. AE and PT. Then here also we have two edges. What are this? CD. CD and RS. So we have two edges here. So totally 4 points this cutting happens. So here visible point AE, so I mark 1. Then for CD mark 2. Then for RS 4. Then reverse. PT is no, it is 3. It is 4. So 4 points. Then I have to project this to the top. To the top. So here in the top view, so this point is 1. What is 1 over here? So here it is 1 dash, here it is 2 dash, 3 dash is hidden, 4 dash is hidden. 1 means it is in AE, right? AE. So where AE means AE. AE. So this is 1. 1 dash, this is 1. 2 is in CD. So here CD, this line. So here meet the point 2. Then 3 means is in RS. So this is 3. So here it is 4. So these are all the. Then join these 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 4. Then mark the section. Sectional top. Then true shape of the section. For that what we have to do is draw a line parallel to the section line. Draw a line parallel to the section line. So which is our new reference line x1 and y. Then project the points 4, towards that new reference line. New reference line. Then what we have to do is, so we are projecting from front view. Projecting it from front view. So we have to take measurement from top view. So here from 1 I am projecting. For 1, so I mark the distance from the old reference line. And then in the same projector I mark it from the new reference line. This is 1, 1. So I am projecting from front view, so it is top view. Then similarly 2, the distance is this. Then from the new reference line I mark this. This is 2, 1. Then 3 means here this distance 3 inches. New reference. 4 also the same. 4, 3, 1 and 4. So we got it. Then we can connect. So we got 4 points. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 and 4. Hatching. Okay. Then this is the sectional top view. This is front view. This is to save of section. Sorry.